Peace and blessings, family. Peace and blessings. We are back. We back. This is a 2012 Ford Fusion SE with a 4-cylinder. The engine was just replaced on this one. So this engine has approximately 120,000 miles. Everything else, the body is like 165. We'll see once we get inside. Does have a little bit of wear. You know, the bumper paint is peeling, but it's not really affecting anything. Tires look good. Wheels are clean. Windows work. Has cloth interior. 4-cylinder automatic. AC works. Just got this one detailed. It is missing the floor mats though. But it's been detailed. So it's pretty clean. The rear bumper is also peeling. Look like a few minor impacts. So the clear coat is peeling on it, but it's not stopping anything. The trunk's got plenty of room. Plenty of room in the trunk. Look at that back seat again. Power windows. Power seat on the driver's side. Let's take a look on the inside. Trunk ajar, yep, we know. Driver door, passenger door. All right. So since the engine's been replaced, driven it approximately maybe 10 miles since then. So the 169, 236 is what you see on the body, but this engine has been replaced with an engine that has 120,000 miles on it. Radio works.
Makes our work meaningful across all walks of life now through May 30th. Tickets and info.
You have the radio that works, and it's AM, FM, CD, auxiliary, satellite radio. These are your sound controls right here. These are your fan controls. I know they're worn, but this gives you the defogging floor, rear defog, facing floor. This is your AC button. This is your auto button that just puts it on automatic. That's your circulation button. This is your fan high, medium to low, temperature, the shifter. Let's see what we got on the rest. In the armrest, you got your 12 volt, you got your aux in there. So you got your aux right there, you got the 12 volt right there, so you can charge and also play your radio. Yeah, let's get right. Trying to get my camera adjusted, excuse me. Over here you have your trunk release button. This is your dimmer. You have automatic lights, cruise control. This controls the info center, which is right there. Volume, up and down for your radio. Shifting between media. There's no sunroof in this one, unfortunately. You got your power door locks, power windows. It does have a little bit of chipping above the door. No big deal. Take a look at the engine again. Nice and clean. Fluids are all within range. Close this so y'all can get a better look at the car itself. Excuse me. There we go. There you go, Private. All right, let me turn them lights on, man. Let's get these lights on, Chris. You know people want to see the lights. Turn the lights on manually. Right there. got good lights. Oh, we got a bulb out. We'll take care of that. We got a headlight bulb out. Get that taken care of. This is why you turn the lights on, so you know. I've only driven this thing 10 miles and never was it dark outside, so I wouldn't know. But I know today, and we'll get that squared away. So let me get my pictures, and we'll be back with the test drive. All right, y'all, we are back. Off to the test drive. Door locks lock automatically once you get to about 10 miles an hour. Brakes well, accelerates pretty good, no weird noises. See if we can get it up, see what kind of speed we can get real quick. Cross on over into Mexico. Speed, we'll do a little braking. We're braking. There's no shaking, no weird noises. So on that note, we are going to pretty much conclude the test drive. See where you get up again. Yeah, just a nice little shift. So we're gonna be out with that. Try not to overtalk this one. Some people say I be talking too damn much, so try not to overtalk. Let you guys just have it and just have the experience. So thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, share the video. Let me know where I went wrong. Where can I improve? What else would you like to see during these test drives? I I try to make these videos as interactive as possible so that you can kind of get a feel for the vehicle before you come out and look at it. We're gonna go ahead and end it here. We have come to a complete stop. I'll put the car in park, foot on the brake. We'll check our idle. Nice idle, nice idle. Look at that. All right, so on that note, man, like, comment, subscribe, share the video. We thank y'all for watching, man. Let me know what I can improve on or where I messed up at or what you liked about the video. Peace.